how to integrate PayPal payment method in your WordPress website. Just to do this, go to Google, type your website name /WP admin. I am typing my website name, then type WP admin. After type, just from your keyboard press enter. Page is loading. Login page will appear. Put your username and password. After that, click on login. It is the backend. Just go to the plugin and click add new. On taskbar, type your plugin name. PayPal payment. PayPal. Lot of result will show you. Remember, PayPal have lot of plugin. Be careful about authentic plugin. Just check this. You have to careful about it. Install only this plugin. Then click install. It is installing. After few seconds, just it will be installed. Then click active. Automatically it will be activated. From the dashboard left side, PayPal plugin will be appear. Just go to the plugin and click on install plugins. All your install plugin will show you. I am checking the PayPal. Just click on setting. Check this box. You have to enable the plugin. After that, it will be work. Otherwise not. So click here. And lot of other settings here. PayPal settings. I have created one extra video tutorial. PayPal settings. You can watch this. Now you can change image. By default one image here, PayPal image here. If you want change this, you can. Just click here and upload the image. And if you don't want, just leave it. And scroll down. Just click on save changes. The plugin settings is saving. Now we will visit our website. Just go to a website and here just click on add to cart. And then click on view cart. Just place to order. Click on place to order. It is the checkout pages. Customer have to fill up this form, which here the payment option, PayPal. After completing the form, you can click here. Then this order will be completed. So thanks for watching. If you have any question about this tutorial, just let us inform. As soon as possible, we will try to reply.